there, everybody. Here's the sample logic problem. I'm going to take you through it step by step and show you some tips and some techniques that you can use when you're filling out the clue chart to help you solve these logic problems. So let's get started. Kelsey, Isaiah, Mateo, and Sarah are all wearing different types of socks. From the clues given, try to determine which kind of socks each kid is wearing. The first clue, Mateo can't wear ankle socks with his boots. Sarah likes her friend's crew socks. Kelsey was walking down the hall with friends who were wearing ankle socks and knee socks, and Isaiah wears his lucky tube socks when he plays basketball. Now, when we go to fill out the chart after we've read through the clues, you're going to be using the red X if it's a no, meaning that person does not wear that kind of socks, and a green circle if the answer is a yes. So let's go back up to the first clue. It says that Mateo can't wear ankle socks with boots. So that means that he is not wearing the ankle socks. Okay, we can infer that. We don't know what kind of socks he is wearing, but at this point we know he's a no for the ankle socks. Sarah likes her friend's crew socks. Well, if Sarah likes somebody else's crew socks, we know that she can't be wearing them. So I can put a red X where the crew socks matches up with Sarah's name. The third clue. Kelsey was walking down the hall with her friends who were wearing ankle socks and knee socks. So again, that's another one where we don't know what kind of socks Kelsey's wearing, but we do know what she's not wearing. She's not wearing the ankle socks or the knee socks, so we can put 2 X's there. The final clue. Isaiah wears his lucky tube socks when he plays basketball. Now that's a yes, because it's flat out saying that Isaiah is wearing the tube socks. So I'm going to put a green circle where Isaiah meets the tube socks. But I'm not finished, because if I know that Isaiah is wearing the tube socks, I also know that he can't be wearing the crew socks, the ankle socks, or the knee socks. I also know that if he's wearing the tube socks, Mateo can't, Sarah can't be wearing them, and Kelsey can't be wearing the tube socks. So by just answering that one yes with a green circle, we can put another bunch of X's to fill in our chart. And what you're going to look for is another column or row that is filled in with only one missing part, because we know that if there's 3 X's, the only thing that's left would be a green circle. So that means that Sarah is wearing the ankle socks. And if she's wearing the ankle socks, we can now put a red X in this column because she's not wearing the knee socks. And then here we have another column that has 3 X's, and we can fill in another green circle. Mateo is wearing the knee socks. And if he's wearing the knee socks, he can't be wearing the crew socks, which leaves Kelsey to wear the crew socks. Now, I always like to go back and double check my clues just to make sure that I didn't read something incorrectly. And one way I do that is just to verify that all of the people we have wearing the different socks, it doesn't contradict one of the clues. So let's take this third one. Kelsey was walking down the hall with her friends that were wearing the ankle and knee socks. Well, we know that Kelsey can't be wearing them. She's wearing the crew socks, which that matches. And Sarah and Mateo are wearing the ankle and knee socks. Now we have to make sure that it's Mateo wearing the knee socks and not wearing the ankle socks, because the first clue put an X here. And last but not least, we know for sure that Isaiah was wearing the tube socks. So it all fits. Now I want to go back and show you again the importance of remembering to put the X's in the row and the column when you do any kind of yes answer. So let's just pretend that we know that Kelsey wears the crew socks. So we would fill in the rest of that row with red X's. And we would also fill in going in the column, because if Kelsey's wearing the crew socks, nobody else can wear them, and she is not wearing any other kind of socks. So it really allows you to fill in a lot of the spaces when you have a clue that is directly tells you what somebody is wearing. So there you go. That is the explanation on how to use the clue chart to help you solve these logic problems. I hope you have fun reading through these and solving them. Good luck.